guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Soti here, sotonyeipalibowokoma, YouTuber based in Nigeria, Port Harcourt, that does mostly beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So in today's video, it's going to be a travel vlog to Benin. I haven't been to Benin like at all. I've only been passing through, so it's going to be a travel vlog to Benin. My apologies for being away for quite some time, but just bear with me. I'll be sure to be posting videos sooner than latest. Yeah, I'm just wearing a free gown because this is a travel vlog and I want to be comfortable. I'm going to be using GIG motors to get to my destination. So we're on our way to the park now, and I'll be sure to vlog the entire trip. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you've not subscribed, please do. Alright, let's get straight into Safely arrived at the hotel, just trying to rest, get myself together because I'm tired. Yeah, time to rest. I'm sure to carry you guys along, maybe wherever I'm going to. Yeah, so hi guys, I'm going to get something to eat. I just woke up, I've rested enough, and all of that. So I'm just wearing a tee and some jeans and ready to head out. Yeah, let me go and get something and fill the stomach up. Yeah, I'll take you guys along with me so you guys can see the place and the ambience of the place. So I ended up eating at a place called Ivy Mills, which is at Edugi Homes, at somewhere called Etete. I must mention they only sell traditional food, so the ambience there was just wonderful. It was only me at the restaurant. Their food is quite affordable as well, and it tastes really good. I just had to take video of all these sculpted heads because they really looked interesting, and their service is quite nice as well. It's very comfortable there, and I ate to my fill. You can watch me as I'm eating right now. So yeah. Good morning. I slept well last night and I'm currently going out to a couple of places. I think I'll go to the museum as well as one of their parks
So yeah, come along with me. This is what I'm wearing anyways, just Ankara jean and black slippers. So let's go. First up was the Benin City National Museum. I saw this structure there with someone on top with it holding a gun. And we got there, we paid money to like see all the artifacts there. And I must say they really date back to like back like, back in the 1950s, 1940s thereabout. I was able to take some videos. However, please, this video will be short because they don't take recordings of their items there or their artifacts there, because they want you guys to come and see it yourself, experience it yourself. You get a guide and he or she will be the one to explain everything to you, how this happened, why it happened, and so on and so forth. So I was able to take a little bit of videos and I took some pictures. As you can see, I was just fooling around here because some of them looked actually funny, like this one. So yeah, I really enjoyed my time here at the museum. It was really nice to see all these artifacts, all this ancient stuff that I didn't live through, but I saw them. Now I think I'm going to the Philip Temple Park, yeah, amusement park. So this is the Philip Temple Nature Park. It's also a recreation center where you have some games, where they sell drinks and food, just a sitting area. You can also paint if you want to. There's so many activities to do there, and plus they have a zoo. Like they really have a zoo there. So I'm just walking down now to the zoo. They have some sit out area. They even have a pool there. When I mean they have games, they have like a basketball site, they have pool table. People don't really come here much, mostly because it's a bit far, like the outskirts of Benin City. But it was actually worth coming here because I enjoyed my time here. I saw a couple of animals, like I saw a baboon, I saw ostriches, I saw a python snake. Yeah, you see everything just as I'm going around. This is the baboon. Yeah, this I think is a female. Yeah, there are two females here and one male. I saw a porcupine, and then I saw, I think, a deer or the family of this deer, gazelle, and one other one, antelope. Yes, I saw them all together, but they was two were sleeping, just one was out and about, just moving up and down. Then I saw some birds. I saw a peacock, and he was able to show me his, complete feathers all standing up. Yeah, I saw a crocodile as well. It was interesting to see these creatures or these animals, you know, moving around and then taking stuff from you. Mind you, you don't feed the animals, you just watch them. Yeah, the only people authorized to do that are the people that look after them. So my experience here was really nice though. Yeah. The only downside was that I didn't see any tigers, any lions. Yeah. Nature was taking its course here as this young gazelle or old gazelle was actually taking a piss. So yeah, these are the ostriches, and I saw their eggs. They're quite huge. They are huge. I saw some geese or goose as well, and some ducks. They all stay in one particular spot because they're of the same family. So it was really, really interesting, like seeing all these animals just in a particular place like this in our city. Yeah. So during this entire tour by the guide, he mentioned that swans they actually only fall in love once in their life, like a once in a lifetime love. And after that, if their partner dies, that's the end. No more love story. They just become single. You know, in the animal kingdom, you expect them to continue to mate with other females and so on and so forth. But for them, it's not like that. That was really mind blowing to find out and to comprehend. Like, are you really serious right now? Whilst editing the video, I just discovered that I did not create any outro for the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe as well if you have not done that. I enjoyed my stay at Benin. Benin was nice to me. But if you're going out like this, please, sunscreen is your best friend. Don't forget to be reapplying your sunscreen because the sun is scorching. I'll be sure to keep on posting more videos, more shots for you guys. I'm not going away this time around. I'm going to be around full time. Do enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.